Okay guys, it's Subway Fan 200 and today we'll be doing the fidget spinner and seeing how long it can spin.
So let me go get my timer.
So Yettie Jung will get her timer.
My timer.
Okay.
Okay.
So
we're gonna get a special guest,
yeah.
Yettie Jung, to come and start the timer. Can Yettie Jung please come over? Woo! Say hi, everyone.
Say hi, Wani.
Yettie, so your job is to press start when I say start.
Okay. Ready?
You can hold the camera, Subway Fan. Set.
Good.
Go!
Oh,
no.
Oh no.
Yettie, press start again, please. Ready? Yettie.
Ready? Okay.
Yettie.
Wani!
Yettie! Yettie, this is going on YouTube. Ready?
My God.
Set.
Go.
So fast. Don't even.
It's only like
13
12
seconds.
seconds. Okay.
Slowing down. It's only been
Yeah.
40 seconds.
I know.
Maybe this one was a bad one, because mine can spin up to 4 minutes.
Still not fast enough. But we have to show them how long ours can spin. Alright, it's been a minute and 5 seconds. And it's still spinning.
Do this thing. So, Subway Fan, can you record me?
This is a fidget spinner video.
Just for 10
Sorry guys.
Just
We
for
won't
10
look at Yettie Jung doing her thing.
Just record for 3 seconds. 2.5 seconds.
Okay, I'll record for 3 seconds.
Go back to the fridge.
Okay. It's been a minute and 40 seconds now, and it's still spinning, and it slowed down a lot. Yettie, come back. Alright, it's been for 1 minute and 57 seconds.
Almost 2 minutes. But
Yeah.
just couldn't make it.
Yeah.
How sad.
Okay.
Well,
So,
that's how long this fidget spinner lasts for. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.
yeah, please do that.
And check out
Bye.
my channel, Yettie Jung.
Okay. Bye.